Nissan Murano comes in 4 trim levels: S, SV, SL, and Platinum. Each trim level offers something a little different. This video will help you understand which one best fits what you're looking for. Like all 2020 Murano models, the S is available in all-wheel drive. Murano S is available in 5 exterior colors. The S has stylish 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Its headlights make a stylish statement. The S can signal your intentions. Murano S comes in graphite cloth. You'll enter and go without taking your key out of your pocket. You and your passengers will get help staying cozy. And Murano S can even alert you if you might have left something behind. Murano S features an 8-inch touchscreen display with connectivity for your compatible smartphone, satellite radio, and USB ports to keep you charged up. Bring along large items with ample room. Flex your seating to make even more space, and secure your cargo with ease. Every Murano comes standard with select confidence-inspiring driver assistance features. You'll appreciate tech that can warn you and even brake automatically to help avoid a frontal collision. When you're backing up, you'll be able to see directly behind you. Murano S can even let you know if you might need a break from driving. And with the technology package, you can add an impressive suite of driver assist technologies. Murano SV includes Murano S equipment, plus some extras. Like all 2020 Murano models, SV is available in all-wheel drive. Murano SV offers an additional exterior color for a total of 7. The Murano SV exterior adds stylish black roof rails and helps improve your view in cold weather. Murano SV comes in 2 interior colors. Its interior style is a step up, with leather-wrapped touchpoints. Start your car remotely, even warm or cool the cabin ahead of time. Up front, you and your passenger can get comfortable with power seats. And useful tech helps make nighttime driving easier on your eyes. SV adds an impressive number of Nissan Intelligent Mobility features that help you move with more confidence. Murano SV lets you slow and speed up with traffic automatically. You'll be able to get a heads up when cars are detected in your blind spot area and help staying in your lane. Murano SV can detect pedestrians, braking automatically to help avoid or lessen the impact of a frontal collision. You'll get a warning about detected objects behind you. Murano SV can even brake to help avoid backing into stationary items directly behind you, and can warn you about cars detected crossing behind you. And when you're on the road, Murano SV can automatically give a little courtesy to other drivers. And with the premium package, you can add parking assist tech and premium style. Murano SL includes Murano SV equipment and exterior upgrades. Like all 2020 Murano models, SL is available in all-wheel drive. Murano SL adds an additional color for a total of 8. The exterior gets an upgrade with 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels, a liftgate that opens with a kick, and features that are ready for inclement weather. Murano SL comes in 2 interior colors. Murano SL adds adjustable lighting to set the mood, and can remember your preferred seat and mirror position. Your hands will stay toasty, while front and back row passengers can enjoy heated seats. You'll get live traffic updates, and your music gets the VIP treatment. SL adds Nissan Intelligent Mobility features that help you park with more confidence, and can help keep you informed about local speed limits. And with the Moonroof package, everyone can enjoy amazing views. Murano Platinum includes Murano SL equipment and exterior upgrades. Like all 2020 Murano models, Platinum is available in all-wheel drive and comes in 8 colors. The exterior gets upgraded 20-inch dark hyper silver aluminum alloy wheels and premium style. Murano Platinum comes in 3 interior colors and includes premium interior appointments. Up front, you'll stay warm or cool off with climate-controlled seats, and an adjustable memory steering wheel will remember your preferred settings. And you'll stay in the know with customizable alerts and more with NissanConnect services.